Davey, you recently joined Rocol. How's it going?
Great, yeah, it's a fantastic company. Everything's going to plan so far. It's only been a few weeks, but I'm really happy with how it started off, the training at the start. My background is I'm a CNC machinist to trade. I've spent time in cutting tool sales, so my next step was to move into something different. And the cutting fluid side of it for me, was interesting, being involved in that. And Rocol's obviously a brand that I was familiar with my time in engineering. Up here in Scotland, we've got lots and lots of, good companies and customers that I'd had previously that I'd seen the products in. And it's been a good start so far.
So you say you knew of the Rocol product previous. What were your experience with it?
I never had any problems with it, and for a cutting fluid side of things, where you have problems with skin irritations, you have problems with foaming, lots of, there can be various problems, but when you don't have them and you've got something that gives you good tool life, it gives you good sump life, it's very important to have a CNC machinist that these things are there, and for companies, that's using the products further up the chain. It's very positive to have these, these things there.
And Rocol, you're obviously covering Scotland, more boots on ground in Scotland, so you're looking to increase the market share.
Yes, as always, that's welcome to sales. That's what we're here to do. We've got the products, we've got the support. We've got the lab down in Leeds that's there to support us and support our customers at the same time. Give a, decent cost savings, to give better sump lives, which again is another cost saving, and also to reduce, the ailments. We have very few companies, if any, that I know of, that give us any complaints of great deals,
And a UK-made product, that must be a benefit also.
Yes, especially after the whole Brexit. It's a worry to a lot of customers and companies throughout the UK, is to get products, to get them on time, which, not these things come up in conversation a lot, and it's one of the first questions I've actually been asked in my time with Rocol is, can you get the products to us as you're manufacturing in the UK? And we're proud to say it's in the United Kingdom and Leeds. So it gives us a very good advantage over some of our competitors.